Bite Duke. Leave him alone. Lord. Duchess, don't let him bite on you. Duchess. Duchess. Move, babe.
Oh, dang.
Get him, Duchess. Get him, Duchess.
Oh, dang.
Get him, Duchess. Get him. Get him, Duchess. Move, Paige. Get him, Duchess. Yes, Duchess. Tell him who the boss is. Who's the Queen D? You better know it, Duke. She don't play that shit. You better move.
Watch out. Ooh.
You think you be ambushing her? That's a dang shame when the cat bigger than a dog. Ain't this something? Duchess, you need to grow.
Duchess, get him.
He said he gonna play with his blanket. That's the best thing for you to do, Duke. Play with your blanket. Because you know, like I know, honey, Duchess don't play. Right, Dutchie? Hey, hey, Dutchie. Right? Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. No, we ain't robbing you, Duke. All right. No, see, no, bad kitty.